Welcome to SAR Knowledge Center. In this video, we will see the biography of Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, India. He became one of the most respected spiritual and political leaders of the 1900s. Gandhi helped free the Indian people from British rule through non-violent resistance and is honored by Indians as the father of the Indian nation. He was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist and political ethicist who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from the British rule. He inspired movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. During India's nationalist movement and in several decades immediately after, he was also commonly called Bapu. The Salt March, also known as the Dandi March and the Dandi Satyagraha, was an act of non-violent civil disobedience in colonial India led by Mahatma Gandhi. The 24-day march lasted from 12th March to 5th April 1930 as a direct action campaign of tax resistance and non-violent protest against the British salt monopoly. Gandhi started his march with 78 of his trusted volunteers. The march spanned 387 kilometers, 240 miles from Sabramati Ashram to Dandi, which was called Navsari at that time. Growing numbers of Indians joined them along the way. When Gandhi broke the British Raj salt laws at 8:30 am on 6th April 1930, it sparked large-scale acts of civil disobedience against the salt laws by millions of Indians. Khadi means hand-spun and hand-woven cloth, but unlike your average cloth, Khadi holds a very special place in India's history of freedom and independence. In 1918, Mahatma Gandhi used Khadi cloth as a key part of Swadeshi movement, a movement designed to boycott the use of imported products and materials. Doing this would help to lift India out of poverty by creating industry and jobs locally. It would also free India from its reliance on expensive imported goods which were being into the country from Britain even though the raw materials originated in India. On 30th January 1948, nearly at 5 pm in the evening, when Gandhiji visited the Birla House in New Delhi for a prayer meeting, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. In India, we still celebrate 30th January as the National Martyrs' Day. Gandhi's birthday, 2nd October, is commemorated in India as Gandhi Jayanti, a national holiday, and worldwide as the International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhi is considered to be the father of the nation in post-colonial India. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.